Anushka, welcome back to another video. There is less than a week left for the NIFT entrance examination, and looking at all the texts that I've been getting from all of you guys who are sitting for the examination, I can make out how tense you guys are. I know that you guys have a lot of questions in your mind, and one of the most common and major questions is that what are the stationery that you guys need to carry on the day of the examination. So I thought I would make a video telling you all about a list of things that you guys should carry on the day of the GAT and CAT examination, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I would like to suggest you all to carry is an examination board, because all that they are going to provide you is just a few A4 size sheets, and you have no idea what the quality of the benches or the tables are going to be like. If the surface of the bench or the table is really rugged, then it might be a bit difficult for you to render nicely. So I would suggest that you carry an examination board so that you can keep the sheets on a hard surface and make your sketches without any difficulty. The next thing that all of you guys should carry are obviously pencils, and it does not really matter what company your pencil is from. It can be anything like Camlin, Natraj, Faber-Castell, Apsara. I mainly use the Staedtler pencils. The lead is of really good quality, so you can use them if you want, but then if you want to stick to normal pencils, it's okay as well. And for the sketching part, not the shading, I think 2B pencils are the most recommended pencils. So try and carry two 2B pencils, and if it's possible, then try carrying two each of like 4B, 6B, 8B and so on, just to be on a safer side. The next thing that you guys should carry is obviously a sharpener and an eraser, and since I tend to lose out on my sharpeners and erasers in like a second, I always prefer carrying 2 or 3 sharpeners and 2 or 3 erasers every time I have an examination, or even in general. So try and carry 2 sharpeners and 2 erasers, and yeah. A lot of you guys asked me if we can carry rulers or not. Yes, you can carry rulers. Carry a small ruler as well as a large ruler. Moving on to colors, do not use and hence do not carry wet color mediums like poster colors, watercolors, acrylic colors, or even sketch pens for that matter. Stick to dry color mediums like color pencils, crayons, oil pastels and so on. I would suggest, in fact everybody recommends for you all to stick to pencil colors. And when it comes to pencil colors, one of the brands that is highly recommended is the Staedtler Luna pencils. The Staedtler color pencils might seem a bit too pricey, but you should try and invest in them because they are of amazing quality. The colors blend really well, and also you have to buy Staedtler color pencils once you get into NIFT anyway, because it is one of the things that is prescribed to you in the stationery list. So try and invest in a box of Staedtler Luna color pencils. I have an Amazon link in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want. The next thing that you guys should carry is 1 or 2 black or blue ballpoint pen for the GAT examination. And the last thing that you guys should not forget carrying are the necessary documents, which includes the admit card and all the documents that you have been told to bring with you in the admit card. Also do carry an ID proof, preferably an Aadhaar card. So that's all the things that you should carry on the day of the examination. Also try and pack all of these stationery the day before. Do not keep it for the last minute. Check and recheck if you have packed everything correctly so that there is no scope of forgetting to carry anything, because let me tell you all, nobody is going to share their stationery with you. Personally, I would like to suggest you all to carry and use your own stationery and not share at least for that day. So these are the things that you should not forget carrying on the day of the examination. I hope this video was beneficial. I'll be putting up more videos soon related to the NIFT entrance examination, such as last minute preparation tips and so on. So stay tuned for those videos. Make sure to like and subscribe because it's free. And until next time, bye bye.